Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. My name is V. In today's video, we're just gonna have fun. If you have a palette and you wanna play with it, take it out. Let us have some makeup fun and uplift our spirits. I'm going to create something and I hope that you create something beautiful. I am back with the look for today. I used the Plain in Makeup by Yolando, the No Limitations in my shop, my stash for July. The only thing that I pull out that is not in my shop, my stash for July is this blush palette. If today you are going through anything that you think you alone can't handle, call a friend, talk to someone. Don't go through it alone. Today's quote is by William Hazlitt. It says, "One of the pleasantest things in the world is going on a journey, but I like to go by myself." It says, "One of the pleasantest things in the world is going on a journey, but I like to go by myself." That is the journey. If you are on a journey, keep going. Don't give up. Things might get really, really tough, but keep going step by step, little baby steps at a time. You will get there. You will get there. You might not get there today or tomorrow or the time frame that you set, but you will get there. All that noise, the birds outside are just making noise, so enjoy nature. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I, Simply Your Makeup, is telling you to don't suffer in silence. Talk to somebody. Please. Enjoy life. Life is short. Life is important. Make every minute count for you. Again, this is today's look. I'm saying be blessed. If you like this video, give me a like. If you like my content and you want to subscribe, hit the subscribe button and then the notification bell, so whenever I put up a video you will be notified. And leave me in the comment something positive that happened to you today. Today what happened to me positive is I woke up and I was able to see. And I'm blessed for that. Share your positivity in the comment. It might just help somebody else. I am rocking this look, baby. I am rocking this look. Yes. Bye. See you soon in another video.